Hello. My name is Alex. I want to tell you a story about my class project. It is a story about how we learn to help the environment. Our teacher gave us a big project. We had to work together to do something good for nature. One day, our teacher, Miss Emma, said, "Class, we have a new project. We will work on a project to help the environment. This is very important. We need to keep our earth clean and healthy." We were all excited. "What can we do?" asked Mia. Miss Emma smiled. "You can choose something that will help our local environment. Think about things like cleaning up trash, planting trees, or recycling. You will work in groups and plan your project." We started to think. My friend Sam and I decided to work together. We wanted to clean up a park near our school. The park had a lot of trash, and we thought it would be a good idea to help. We made a plan. First, we would visit the park and see how much trash was there. Then, we would get some trash bags and gloves. We would clean up the park on Saturday. After that, we would tell everyone about what we did and why it is important. On Saturday, Sam and I went to the park. It was a sunny day. We saw many pieces of trash on the grass and in the bushes. There were plastic bottles, old papers, and candy wrappers. We put on our gloves and started to pick up the trash. It was hard work, but it was also fun. We found some interesting things, like a shiny coin and a colorful toy. But we did not keep these things. We put them in our trash bags. After 2 hours, our trash bags were full. The park looked much cleaner. We felt happy because we helped make it a nicer place. Next, we made a big poster to tell other people about our project. The poster said, "Help keep our park clean." It had drawings of trees, flowers, and a clean park. We put the poster up at the park and at our school. Our classmates saw the poster and asked us about the project. We told them what we did and why it is important to keep places clean. They were impressed and wanted to help too. Miss Emma was very proud of us. She said, "You did a great job. You worked hard and helped the environment." I hope you all learned how important it is to keep our earth clean. We learned a lot from this project. We learned that even small actions can make a big difference. Picking up trash is just one way to help the environment. There are many other things we can do, like recycling, saving water, and using less plastic. We talked about these things in class. Everyone shared their ideas. Some students wanted to plant trees, and others wanted to start a recycling program. We decided to do these things as a class. We planted trees in the schoolyard. It was exciting to see the little trees grow. We also started a recycling program. We put recycling bins in the school and taught everyone how to use them. We planted trees in the schoolyard. It was exciting to see the little trees grow. We also started a recycling program. We put recycling bins in the school and taught everyone how to use them. Our project was a big success. We helped our park and our school. We felt proud of our work. We learned that working together can make our world a better place. Our project showed us how we can all help the environment. Every small action counts. We learned that helping the earth is important and that we can all make a difference. So, remember, you can help too. Pick up trash, recycle, save water, and use less plastic. These small things can help keep our earth clean and beautiful. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you will think about how you can help the environment. We can all make a positive change, one small action at a time. Goodbye.